Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to be learning about R-controlled vowel syllables. Now that's a giant word. Do you remember what a syllable is? A syllable is just another way of saying that a word has multiple parts. Word parts. That's what we're learning about today. But these word parts are controlled by the letter R. During our time together today, you are going to need a piece of paper and something to write with. If you need a second to go get those items, pause the video now and go get them. Let's get started with our lesson. This is the word hairy. Say it with me, hairy. The word hairy is spelled H-A-I-R-Y. Can you clap out the syllables with me? Hair-y. Let's try that one more time. Hair-y. When we are splitting this word into word parts, we will split it between the R and the Y. Because this word has the letter R in it that is followed by vowels, you must keep the R with the vowels. They don't like to be separated. Let's take a look at another word. This is the word burning. Say it with me, burning. Let's clap out the syllables. Burn-ing. Let's try that one more time. Burn-ing. Let's separate the word burning into two different word parts. Do you see that? Burn-ing. We are now going to move on by practicing. This is the word fairly. Please write it on your piece of paper. The word fairly is spelled F-A-I-R-L-Y. It is now our job to separate the word fairly into word parts. Fairly. Remember, you could always clap it out if you need help. Fairly. Can you draw a line on your piece of paper to separate the words? Great job. The line goes between the R and the L. Let's move on to our next word. This is the word target. Please write it on your piece of paper. The word target is spelled T-A-R-G-E-T. Now, if you don't want to clap, you could always put your hand underneath your chin. When you say the word, your hand will hit your chin. Let's try it together. Target. That tells us how many syllables we find in the word. There are 2. Can you help me figure out where to separate them? Go ahead and draw a line on your piece of paper. Did you draw your line between the R and the G? If so, nice job. Target is separated between the R and the G. Let's move on to our next word. This is the word barely. Please write it on your piece of paper. The word barely is spelled B-A-R-E-L-Y. Let's separate the word barely into word parts. Barely. Where should we draw our line? You are correct, between the E and the L. This is the word repair. This one's a little different. Remember, you can clap it out or put your hand under your chin to discover the word parts. The word repair is spelled R-E-P-A-I-R. Where should we separate this word? Great job, between the E and the P. Repair. You're doing a great job today. We are now going to discover the word in each sentence with the R-controlled syllables. We ate turkey for dinner. Which word in this sentence has an R-controlled vowel syllable? I'll read the sentence to you again. We ate turkey for dinner. Did you say turkey? If so, you were correct. I want you to write the word turkey on your piece of paper. T-U-R-K-E-Y. I would now like you to separate the word turkey into its syllables. Great job. The line goes between the R and the K. Turkey. Is the ice cream dairy-free? Which word in this sentence has an R-controlled vowel syllable? I'll read the sentence to you again. Is the ice cream dairy-free? Did you say dairy? If so, you are correct. Write the word dairy on your piece of paper. D-A-I-R-Y. We are now going to separate the word dairy into its word parts. Where should we separate it? Great job, between the R and the Y. How did we figure that out? Well, we put our hand under our chin and we paid attention to how many times our hand hit our chin. Dairy. Let's move on to our next sentence. We are going to the produce market for fresh fruits. I'll read the sentence to you again. Remember, your job is to listen out for the word with the R-controlled vowel syllable. We are going to the produce market for fresh fruits. Did you say the word market has an R-controlled vowel syllable? If so, you are correct. Please write it on your piece of paper. M-A-R-K-E-T. Where should we separate the word into its word parts? Great job, between the R and the K. Market. Congratulations, you are all done. Great job learning about R-controlled vowel syllables today. I am so proud of you. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.